Organizing a retreat, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and practical topic: organizing a retreat. Whether it's for team building, relaxation, or educational purposes, planning a retreat can be both exciting and daunting. We'll break down what it means to organize a retreat, the key steps involved, and some tips to make your retreat memorable and effective. So, let's get started. When we talk about organizing a retreat, we're referring to the process of planning and executing a getaway that serves a specific purpose. This could be for a company, a social group, or even a personal event. A retreat usually involves going to a place away from the usual environment to focus on a set of activities, relaxation, team building, or personal development. Before diving into the logistics, it's crucial to define the goals of your retreat. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve? Is it to foster team unity, to strategize business goals, or perhaps to provide a restful escape for mental health? Clear objectives will guide your planning process, from choosing the right venue to selecting activities. The venue plays a significant role in the success of your retreat. Consider factors like location, accessibility, facilities, and ambiance. Whether it's a serene countryside, a cozy mountain lodge, or a beach resort, ensure the venue aligns with your retreat's goals. Don't forget to factor in budget constraints and the preferences of your attendees. This is where the fun begins. Depending on your retreat's objectives, plan a mix of activities that are both engaging and purposeful. For team-building retreats, consider outdoor challenges, workshops, or group discussions. For relaxation retreats, yoga sessions, meditation, and leisure activities might be more appropriate. Balance is key. Ensure there's enough variety to keep everyone interested and engaged. Now, let's talk about the nuts and bolts of organizing a retreat. This includes managing invitations, bookings, transportation, and catering. Attention to detail is crucial in this phase to ensure a smooth experience for all participants. Create a checklist and timeline to keep track of tasks and deadlines. Organizing a retreat can be a rewarding experience that offers lasting benefits for all participants. By following these steps and keeping your goals in focus, you can create an event that's both meaningful and enjoyable. Remember, the success of a retreat is not just in the planning but in creating an environment where participants can relax, learn, and connect. We hope this guide helps you on your journey to organizing a fantastic retreat. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your planning.